Hi all, today we will discuss about all the dev tools which is trending and used in market. So while you are going for the development or testing or deployment or any part of things in software industry, we need to go through this type of development tools. So we have different categories are there, depends on the work and department. We will use different development tools. So suppose if you are a developers, so we have development environment which need to be configured in our local setup where what all are the development environment is there. VS Code if you are going for the .NET development or any UI related development like Angular, Node.js and all. In that cases mostly we are using VS Code or Visual Studio. IntelliJ IDEA if you are going for the development of any C++, Java related changes or codings related changes and development. In that cases, we will go for the IntelliJ IDEA. Notepad++ is a tools where we have to write some reminders and all. So like that, we have a Vim and PyCharms are there and this notebook. So this is the development environment, and depends on the requirement, technology, and all. We will go for the development environment. Now, so the different tools is diagramming. So diagramming is a draw.io. Suppose if you are doing some workflow or some designing side, low level, high level designs and all architectures defined for that particular requirement or customizations for the client, so you need to create a draw.io. So draw.io is a tools where we have to draw the applications details, architectures and all. Like that we have many are there. Mind map is there, then PlantUML is there, Miro is there, Miro also is there, and then Microsoft Visio is there. Like that, we have a multiples drawing is there, diagramming is there. So depends on the requirement and company which they are using. You can use for this. So the famous is Draw.io and Miro is there for the diagram meaning, and the development environment is these all. Now coming for the AI tools, so if you are going for the or if your project related for the artificial intelligence, so that the first thing is the ChatGPT, which we frequently used on our daily life also. Then we have GitHub Copilot, so the GitHub Copilot also is a very good things. Then Tabnine is there. Many others are there. So these all are the AI tools which is used your artificial intelligence if you are working or doing some changes, some reference. Then in that cases we will go for the AI tool. The next we'll have a hosting and deployment. So suppose your application you want to host somewhere and deploy it somewhere. So mostly we are using cloud right now, cloud platform. So the we can go for the either server level or cloud based platform. So there where they will configure all the server details and all. So either we will go for the AWS, Cloudflare, GitHub, Fly.io, Heroku, and DigitalOcean. So these all are related for the hosting and deployment where you want to host your application or your client applications is hosted on AWS or something like that. Then once your deployment or while you are going for the local development for the particular code, so there will be some quality check, so that quality checks or testings of the particular applications and all. In that cases we have a code quality tools. So many are there like Selenium is there, SonarQube is there, FindBugs are there, so that you can find all the bugs related for the development which is developed in the developer side. So the tester teams mostly they will check this FindBugs, Seleniums and all, Jest, ESLint and all. So there are many others are there like that. It's a famous which is going on market to do the development testings, deployment securities and all. In that cases we are going for the different tools, Checkstyle and all. So these all are related for code quality. Now going for the security. So what all are the security configurations we can use? So many others are there, but one password, last password, OWASP, and then nmap, like that. We have multiple security patterns are there which we can use. So if you are going for the dev tools, so mostly these all are the famous dev tools for the different applications. Now going for the note taking. So suppose if you want to take a reminder, some note mechanism and all, in that cases we have a notions, and others there are Teddy Wiki. So there we have all the notes and prepare notes will be there, and particular documents. So if you want to go for the particular requirement, then in that cases we have a markdown will be there. Mm, then wiki notions and all will be there. Coming for the design, if you want to do some design, so for that we have a multiple design tools or techniques are there. We can show you Figma, Scratch. So there we can find the design, or where we can create a design, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and Canva. So these all are happening in this different organizations, different department based on the requirement. But mostly in our IT sector also we will use, either if you are going for the any development environment testers or any deployment security mechanism and all, then we will go for this. So these all are the very important tools are there, which is categorized as a development environment tool. Diagramming is there, AI tools is there, hosting and deployment is there, code quality is there, security is there, note taking is there, design is there. So like that, you can go through that if you want to understand for particular requirement or particular terms. Then you can just go through that. You will get a brief idea for this. Yeah. Thank you.